Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. As you have seen my previous videos in which I showed you how to multiply any number by 25, whether it is 3 digit, 4 digit or 5 digit number. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to multiply any number by 125. So let's start the video. Let's take example of 346 by 125. As you see, that's a bigger number, 3 digit by 3 digit, but that's will be easier. First, you multiply this number by 1000, that will be 346,000. Then make half the number, find the half of this number. This will be 173,000. Half it again, that will be 86500. And the last step, half it again, that will be 43250. Here you go. Let's check this on the calculator. If I do 346 multiplied by 125, wow, that's 43,250. Simple. So now we'll take another example. Let's take a bigger number. We'll multiply 4, 5, 7, 8 multiply by 125. That's too big. According to my method, you will multiply this number by 1000. Now make it half. This will be 2, then 2, then 8, then 9, and then 0. Then half again. That will be 1, 1, no comma, 1, 1, 4, 4, 500, and half it again. That will be 5, 7, 2, 2, 5, 0. So let's check this on the calculator. If I do 4, 5, 7, 8 multiply by 125, it is 572,250. So hope you understand this method and you can multiply any number by 125 by these simple steps. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep watching the channel for the new tips and tricks and new ways of how to multiply the bigger number in just on fingertips. See you in the next video.